Hey, we're going to do some work in the Japanese garden today. Wanted to show you a little bit of the upkeep, just how much it takes. We're going to clean the place up. We're going to work on a new bamboo fence and just get a general overview. Let's take a look. Now, it's been about 10 days since I've cleaned up the garden. You can see so many leaves. The benches are just covered. Now, one of the things is that it's flowering season for this xylosma. It's been covered in bees, but just dropping tons of flowers and leaves. So if you don't keep on top of your gardens, they can go bad really quick. Got a tragedy to report. Camellia's died. Couldn't make it through the summer. We'll replace it. And I lost the water line on one of my little olives. Crisped right up during the hot summer. Still alive, but I'll replace him and put him back in the recovery zone. We'll get something else in his place. So we'll start off by giving the bench a good brushing. Just try to get everything out of the nooks and crannies. Then I'm going to use my leaf blower. Blow everything to the sides and out the gate as much as possible. This step really makes a big difference. Time to say goodbye, Camellia. Vaya con Dios. So I think I'm going to replace that crisped up olive with this Nandina, or heavenly bamboo. And in place of the heavenly bamboo, I'm going to put down this Rhodea japonica. It's a traditional Japanese garden plant. We're also going to pull out the wisteria for now. Here we go, I'm putting that Nandina on the upper pedestal. And down below, I'm putting in a bougainvillea. Here they are. One of the hardest things to get out of a rock garden is pine needles, so you just gotta get in there, pull them out. They can be a little pokey, so you might want to wear gloves. I've got this elm tree seedling that grew up. Just gonna try and keep it in shape. Cut off the runners for now. Here's the source of the pine needles, a nice, big Italian stone pine. He's just on the other side of the fence, and this branch grew right over. I'm gonna chop this whole big thing down, and that's gonna stop a lot of pine needles from accumulating. A nice, clean, open space. And we're gonna have a special guest while I work on replacing that camellia. This is an Arizona cypress. I'll put him here for now. He's kinda cute. And when you've got everything cleaned up as best you can, it's time to draw a pattern in the gravel. I made this rake out of a piece of fence board and a big branch of apricot. It's been working. And after you hose everything off and knock off the rest of the dust, we're back in business. Working on cleaning off the bamboo fence. We're gonna put that in soon. Thanks for watching. We'll see you next time.